So bro, I was like shit, ngiyagowa phela la angisagowiswa ukuthi kwenza lento sengigowiswa ukuthi mise okwami for ukuhlonipha wena, but wena wenza okwakho okudelela mina. Manje musana uvumela le ntwana zasemasababa ezinegwababa zinibhayizise. Fuck, ngiyanginyanyisa. Shit, like ngiceda crash out. Damn bro.
Hi everyone, hi beloved ones. My name is Lindo Buhle, beloved Mangena Ikyani. Except beloved ones, how are you guys doing? My name is Lindo Buhle, well beloved Mangena, and yeah, the Ikyani. Yeah, reason why I stopped saying it's your boy, well beloved, it's because there's this girl that I saw on TikTok and she was talking about like YouTubers like Kosakians, like saying, hey, what's up, it's your boy, and then she was like, and I was like, hey, she's onto something. She ate it, and I was like, okay, now I have to stop like saying it's your boy, because brown people over to really like they spend like $1 that's what. So I was like, okay, now I'll stop saying it's your boy, and then yeah. Yeah, hi everyone, hi beloved ones. My name is Lindo Buhle, beloved Mangena Ikyani. I won't say Ikyani because there's only one Ikyani and Ikyani. Otherwise, yeah, yo. So what's gonna be happening? Okay, guys, I've been away and for Katisita. I know what happened and it's Pumi level and then the phone something. I don't know who's gonna watch this thing, but since I will just say this. Hello Amanzi, Yamosheka. So I've been off like 3 weeks now. Now I bought a new phone. I'm using a new phone right now. You can see the quality, my dog. So yeah, I'm using a new phone now to do videos, and yeah, I missed you guys. So yeah, if you are new here, please guys, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. The first thing you need to do if you are new here, subscribe, like the video, watch other videos. Please watch this video to the end and get this video to 10 likes. To 11 likes, because the last one I said 10 likes and it got more than 10. Let's get this one to 11 likes. So yeah, what's gonna be happening today is I have a book. I don't know if I think I told you. Nasmos. I have a book whereby I write everything that I'm supposed to be doing in my life. And I write everything down so I will have a sometimes I just be doing things that I'm not supposed to be doing, and I realize okay, and so now I know when someone says they want to see me when I know so what's going to be happening today is I'm going to campus and I'm a script, some say text. In the text, in the script, and the fact that in the lecture is like in text, the WhatsApp in test. I think in the but I can't be stressed because okay, like that text that was okay when what happened, then I'm talking showing. I feel like man, you can't tell him. We're gonna go to school, finish our scripts, miss up in Skira, yeah. Skira, and then we'll do some TikToks. So I think this is what I'm trying to do. I'm not going to say but my son, I beach. I don't know though. But this is gonna be a daily vlog. It's not gonna be a weekly vlog. Nah, I'm not sure. Should I make it? No, there's a vlog that's gonna start tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, and there's a vlog that is going to start tomorrow on Friday. It's a weekend vlog. Now I have to go take a bath, succeed, man. The way I'm this guy would say I'm a script so to swallow number 11. He said 11:25, yeah. He said 11:25 ending of shuttle 9. It's a few more 10, so I'll have to wait from 10 to 11:29. show you guys that I moved into a single room now. The reason why I moved into a single room is because being respected privacy now at the same time. Because I have like I should be comfortable no blog in my room, but imagine saying so I moved into a single room. I will just show you guys now. Okay guys, this is my room. When you get into the door, so you have to pull it down. Also, I left this notes last year, and I'm happy putting it on this second. It says, "Be kind. Everyone is healing from something." So every time when I'm about to go out, I read that note because you have to be kind. Everyone is healing from something. I have a mirror here. That's been Leanna. Because I don't have a space who's bigger. Okay, and then last time it goes, I'm done. My cap one lava. This is my setup. I have to paste Leziana like one day. I'm on mic swam lava never charge because it was Banisa. I think and then yeah, that's pretty much everything, dog. It's fucked up. I have to make my bed. We'll talk when I get to school or when I'm done, but I think so that I can show you my outfit of the day. See what's the time? 8:26. Bruh, and I'm going off by 7. Nothing like that. I'm almost 7. Bruh, I'm supposed to go much on 9. Guys, no. Okay, guys, this is my outfit of the day. I think I'll have to figure a cap. Oh, this one or the other one. Okay, now I'll put the cap like this. Nah, I won't even put a cap. I don't find sport. But otherwise, this is my outfit of the day. And yeah, how is it, guys? This is my outfit of the day, bro. Why does it need 360 now? That's crazy. Okay, but otherwise, I think it's a fire sport. Yeah, I think the sport is over sharp, right? Flowers are mal and okay, so yeah, we're gonna be here. And also, because I'm going to phone this I want and I use wait, let me do this. Gents, mina nyangidida man. Okay. Bengithe kwanje ngizonibalisela istory ne. Ihlale ngakho. Bra ngifukuhlala phansi mina. Now I think ngizofaka i-mic. Okay, whoa.
Imagine dog, you know what's crazy? Imagine ubeka i-content yakho or whatever you love to do behind because or respect lo muntu oclose naye yabo, because you know ukuthi when maybe you do some things with other people angeke ajabule, so also yabo respecta nesifundi sakhe at some point ukuthi okay awufuna abantu bathi mabambona, okay I'm sorry guys, mabambona abacabanga ezinye izinto yabo ukuthi like yabo, and then that person yena akayenzi leyo nto, yena uvele enze and wena like usacrifice ukuthi okay angeke ngisayenza kanje, ngizozama ukwenza kanje even though le izothatha isikhathi eside, but le mina bengizoyenza ngayo izoshesha, but ke angeke ngisakwazi ukuyenza because ngirespecta lo muntu. Yena ukwenza ke le obona ukuthi ayina like nawe izokuphazamisa but yena uyayenza ngana ndaba. So bro, I was like shit, ngiyagowa phela la, angisagowiswa ukuthi kwenza lento, sengikhowiswa ukuthi mise okwami for ukuhlonipha wena but wena wenza okwakho yabo. So I was like alright bad, it's fine. So bengigowa ke, so me and my gents kade ngiphethe intwana zami ke yabo, they love going out, so we've been going out having fun yabo, and yeah, chilling dog, not really doing izinto ezinzima kangaka yabo, hayi siyaziphumela nje soshaya umoya. So bro, imagine yena wenze kuphela, so like bengihethe ngigowa and all that and all those things yabo, but now I'm fine dog, now I'm fine. And ke manje kuyanyiwa ke manje, you see lama video bengeke ngikwazi ukwenza asase close nami leya muntu angiyawenza manje, cause I'm glad that I was able to move on and not cause the drama, you know, all those things, cause some people can't move on bavele bafuna ukwenza i-drama bro, but I was able, okay? So I'm proud of myself, bro, and thanks to the Lord Jesus Christ. Otherwise, yeah, one thing I also don't like is you guys are not grateful, bro. You need to be grateful in life, dog, with everything that you have right now. Be grateful, dog, that you have it. Cause what I'm trying to say is you guys should be grateful. You have a lot to be grateful for. The fact that you woke up today, dog, okay, I know that one they say it a lot, but the fact that you had food, bro, khona abantwana abangekho funded. Okay, now I'm gonna send this one to my students. Khona abantwana abangekho funded wena ufunded unokudla. Khona umntana ongazi ukuthi uzolala ndleni namhlanje but still unama exam. Khona umntana like osabayo ukuthi okay ngicele ngingaceli. Uyayithola? When you have it all but you're not grateful dog. Uyathatha uyachitha edustbin. Nigga, are you for real right now? Khona umuntu dog ongadla yona lento uyichithayo just cause ayikho enye into angayidli. Wena bro. But it's fine dog. I'm not gonna push you all to be grateful now. Yabo, ufuna uba grateful awufuni dog. Last year bengena funding unyaka wonke. How crazy is that? Nah, not really unyaka wonke. First 3 months ngaba nayo, then after ya cancel ya cancel after, and then what happened was ukuthi sekumele ngizame ke manje ngibona ukuthi ngibalanisa kanjani. And I tried, bro, and it worked. Bheka manje I'm here ngine funding this year. I know how to use my money, even though lapho sometimes ngiyalekha lapho nalapho, because of course as a student dog you have to go out at least once, especially like NMU dog. You have to go to a freedom, you have to go a Banana Beach or whatever la masayitangale, and you also have to go to a Top Kick if ungale kubo Ocean View Sport Ground, bro. Zihambe dog eCentral abo VIP what yeah lezo indawo VIP angaze ngayo. But like as a student you have to at least go to one of those places as a student, bro, to yehlisa the stress dog, cause what the fuck, school is crazy, bro. Oh, school is crazy, bro. Otherwise, besides that, I want to talk to the gents. Mina bafethu amashita enza le way ayangixaka ne angazi kanjani. Dog wena ekasi usase primary or ezilalina ne. Yeah, uzoyibeka kahle. So la ngi-attack-a amajita asekasi namajita asezilalini. Wena esigela, you know very well high school or the primary, there was a han omshele unyaka wonke umntana angafuni ukuqoma but ulo umchase nginamanga. So ufike evarsity awusafuna ukuchase abantwana cause ubhanqayile intwana lezi zasema-suburb lezi ezisaba ukushela ezishela ngemali ezinegwababa eziphosta ukuthi hayi girl you have to make money, a girl will come to you, whatever. Nigga, that's not how it works, man, nigga. You have to chase a hand, dog. Yo, khona umntana dog ongibhazise for 3 years ngiloke ngimlandelela ngimshela. Njalo mase ngimbona ngita mara wena zibanibani. Umuze nathi hayi ngiyeke wena Lindo uyangibhora, but still ngebreak ngiyamlanda. Angishaye isandla, ngibuye ngikwatile emergency, kusasa mangibuya ngimlande futhi dog. Ngiyachase mfethu. Because lento leyo like mina I believe ukuthi ingifundisa ukuthi if you funa serious dog like uyayichase, not really amantombazane, even like naku life dog. If you funa le degree uzoyichase dog, uzofunda hard dog until uzuyithola, even though yona like izoloku busy kufailisa. But if you funa serious uzoyilandelela njengespan, if ufuna serious uzosandelela, uzoya kuma interviews bakugabhe or kuleso span osifunayo uye ku interview bakugabhe ulokuya bakugabha until uzosithole dog. So nina senisaba ukushela manje ngoba le ntwana zasema-suburb sezisaba ukushela ezinegwababa ziyanibhayizisa ku social media dog. Yekela social media babushele. Yabona nje namhlanje nje angizizwa kahle ngingashelanga plus ngisingile akunantombi, that's why ngingazizwa kahle. If but benginentombi dog obviously bengengishele, but ke yekelani the way yeni yokusha niyasha nina manje musana ukuvumela le ntwana zasema-suburb ezinegwababa zinibhayizise. Fuck ngiyanyanyisa, cause dog what do you mean nina senisaba ukushela mase niphosta ukuthi hayi I won't chase a hand, what's meant to be, or she will it's in the quote, if she wanted she would. Dog unamanga masaka wena bogijimisa intombi ubona kahle ayifuni unyaka wonke high school uze wayiyeka manje cabanga ukuthi ayiyo like ezochase wena cause ukhathe nakhona akuthi ukhathele wenze ukuthi umuvile kuleyo ndawo kube usahlala khona ngoba usayishela namani, but manje ke wena sohlula ukuchase umntana odibane naye la emavava dog like for 2 days futhi laba balana like imonth uchase nje imonth ifaka kufuni yamiyeka senisaba ukuchase hayi brother hayi ukushela nina nisakwazi, that's why senibhilivele into lento yasema-suburb zishela vele ngemali. Lento leyo ukhulu uyazi wena wazi kahle unamali masaka yini ongafuni ukuyichase wena vele into ongayenza manje ukuchase ukuze uthole intombi lo nemali yena vele uzokhipha imali ukuthola intombi ubani oluzayo lapho wena ugain spirit sokuchase dog ukuthi hayi man fuck it even if into yangapha yena ugain spirit sokubhudla imali. So baba hey think baba angicasuli nini saba nokushela la bomasaka shit like ngiceda crash out. Damn bro.
Okay guys, I'm trying to save space manela. So what's gonna be happening now? I'm thinking of putting it as in the empty name. and see further ukuthi ngingakwazi ukufunda now, ayithola. Because bruh, trust me dog, this life is not fair dog. Kumele ngiyofunda while kumele ngiyolanda ama-results ami. Bathe ngo-11:45, so I have like 45 minutes left. I can study for 30 minutes and I can do something in 30 minutes. And so yeah, I'm here at school. It's all KC. Do you all know this place? This place. Ngilakule space lesi bro. Silenkinga la ngoba alikho ihlase le silele la khona ngikhona ushare one. Ngilantu mangena ngizovlog because ngizofuna ukuvlog. Nakanjani ngizofuna ukuvlog. But I think ukufunda ngesafunda ngizofunda endlini. And I'm as a desert. Bro, as I was saying, bro, now that I'm about to take my paper because I forgot to land the paper. Now that things are shy, it's cut to land the paper. So saying I never. What the fuck do you mean? Is a scary? I script one. And they're like, I promise to show you all. Damn, bro, that is crazy. I think we are a bit less in the social among monks. Yeah, somewhere they come. Yeah, and then I will talk to you all when I get there. For now, please wish me luck. Hopefully, you will be passing over. Bye. Hey. Okay, yo. Into yenzakela ne. Ubhala kahle sibhale kahle saphasa ne. Samshaw 60% akufana. So nami ngilungisele for exam though. Ngithole 100 kahle. 100%. So what I'm gonna do is I will take my consultation. Yo, what's up, Jets? Nam broski.
What's up, guys? Nah. Yo, bro, it's good to be back in this channel, bro.
Shit.
It's been a while, bro. Yo.
It's been a while.
Guys.
But hey.
Back at it again, guys. Rose of the Sea on campus. My boy is pushing as usual.
No, that was me.
Guys, please, like, you know what to do, guys. You know what to do. You guys subscribe. You guys like. You guys comment. And the most important thing, guys, go to that TikTok. Go to his TikTok. Make sure you engage, comment on almost every video, bro. Please. Even if you share like emojis, you know. But please, guys, do what you gotta do. Please support the boy. You can see he's cooking. And go watch that vlog. There's a vlog that he dropped. Go watch that vlog. That vlog is a banger. Only just like 15 minutes, 16 minutes, guys. You can watch it, man. You know, please. Otherwise, you know, push.
Otherwise, yeah, we're here to push my bangers on TikTok. Now, bro. I will faka iletuza ka broski lana neyam then anzwamba nibukela khona. Otherwise, yeah, let's cook, yabo.
Take a break. Oh, okay. Nice. So we won. Hey, boy. Okay.
Easy, jawaba. Amanye ama-clip la ngizowasebenzisa as i-thumbnail. Sometimes angikwazi ukutshaya i-thumbnail yazi.
Yo, mara kunele, mara like akona.
Balancise mfethu.
I'm like I'm being watching, mara like the time goes by.
Yeah.
Wala ni balance.